It's time to take control of your health. Did you know your body is a self-healing mechanism? Also, did you know there's natural plants, foods, and herbs you can take? Watch Chew on This, hosted by Dr. Charmene Vega, a fourth-generation nutritionist and a creditable practitioner streaming on Exposure Plus television. Live your best life, healthy. Are you an expert in alternative health care? Are you struggling with health issues? We'd love to have you as a guest on the show. Contact Dr. Vega's assistant today